Hello students, today we start our exercise 13.1. Okay. Let's start. In our previous video we learned about the theories of 11th standard. We learn in probability. In 11th standard we also checked the theory of 12th standard. There is a few formulas, properties. Okay, now we start the using that the formula and properties. Start exercise 13.1. In that first one is given that E and F are given such that P of E is equal to 0.6, P of F 0.3 and P of E intersection F 0.2. Then find P of E slash F and P of F slash E. So here the E and F are events and the value is given. So we know that the formula of P of E slash F. So that is the P of E intersection F upon P of F. So both the value is given. So just put the value P of E intersection is 0.2, P of F 0.3. Point remove, so 2 by 3. That is our answer. Second thing we have to find, that is F slash E. F's intersection here upon F, P of E. So both the value is given. Point remove 2 by 6, so 1 by 3. So question number 2. That is the same as in that there is a P of A, P of P and P of A intersection B is given and we have to compute that P of A slash B. So you have to write yourself. Okay, the same formula instead of here we have to put A and B. Let's check third number sum. That is P of A is equal to 0.8, P of B 0.5, B slash A is equal to 0.4. In that we have to find three things. That is P of A intersection B, P of A slash B and P of A union B. So here the value is given P of A 0.8, P of B 0.5 and B slash A 0.4. Now P of B slash A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. Now P of A intersection B we have to find. Value of B slash A, that is 0.4 and P of A 0.8. So cross multiplication. 8 4s are 30. 2 point is 0.32. That is our final answer. Second thing we have to find A slash B. So formula is P of A intersection B upon P of B. So A intersection B 0.32. Here 0.5. So here we have what to do? Multiply by 2. So it becomes 0.10. Here 0.64. So answer is 0.64. Next, third one P of A union B. Or here, if you don't want to do this thing, so you have what to do, you have to just divide it. Okay? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That is the formula. Now we have the value of P of A, P of B and A intersection B. So put 0.8 plus 0.5 minus 0.32. 0.8 plus 0.5, 1.3. 1.3 minus 0.32, so answer is 0.98. Okay, note it down this sum. Sum number 4. Evaluate P of A union B. If 2 P of A is equal to P of B is equal to 5 by 30, then and P of A slash B is equal to 2 upon 5. So here we have to find the P of A union B. So first of all, what is the formula of P of A union B? That is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we have here 2 P of A. So we can find easily P of A. Okay, P of B already given. I need that is a P of A intersection B. Here also the given there, that is a P of A slash B is equal to 2 by 5. So using that we find out P of A intersection B because of the formula is P of A intersection B upon P of B. So we have the value of P of A slash B and also P of B. So we can find out P of A intersection B. So let's using that formula. First of all, we find out P of A. 2 P of A is equal to 5 by 30. 2 comes down. 32 is 26. Now P of A slash B upon 2 by 5. So formula P of A intersection B upon P of B side change. We are putting the value of P of B, that is 5 by 30. 5 cut 2 by 30. So we get the value of P of A intersection B. Now A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Putting the value of all three. Here the denominator same. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 13. Now multiply by 2 both here up and down, numerator and denominator. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 11, 13 2s are 26. Both the denominator same, so we can do addition. So we get the final answer is 11 upon 26. Next one, that is the depend on previous sum. Okay, we perform that the P of A is equal to 6 by 11, P of B 5 by 11, and A union B is equal to 7 by 11. So find P of A intersection B, P of A slash B, and P of B slash A. So first of all, here the P of A, P of B, and A union B is given. We have to find the intersection. So similar to this formula. Okay, so we have to just subject this thing because the value of P of A, B, and union already given. Using that formula, we get P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Putting the value P of A 6 by 11, 5 by 11, and 7. All the denominators same. 6 plus 5, 11 minus 7, 4 by 11. That is our final answer. Now here the second thing, find P of A slash B. So what is the formula? P of A intersection B upon P of B. So we have the value P of A intersection B, that is we find out 4 upon 11. P of B, that is 5 upon 11. But denominator of denominator in numerator, so it becomes 11 upon 5. 11 cut, so left 4 upon 5. Next one we have to find third one, that is B slash A. So formula A intersection B upon P of A. So putting 4 upon 11, that is 6 by 11. Denominator of denominator in numerator. 11 got 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So left 2 by 3. Okay, note it down for both sum. Sum number 6. In that sum number 6 to 9, in that we have to find and determine the P of B slash F. Okay, up to 6 to 9 in all 4 sums. Okay, let's start 6. A coin is tossed 3 times. Okay, where E, first case, head on the third toss, F, head on the first 2 toss. Okay, so first of all we need to make a sample space. Then after we have to solve. Okay, so sample space S. So how to make? We know that we already learned that here. That is how many times? 3 times. So it means 2 raised to 3. That is 8. Total number of sample space is 8. So how to make? First 4 times H, 4 times T. We know that. Okay. Then after here 2 times. Then toggle. Okay, that is our sample space. What here I make, that is the same thing we write in a set form. Okay, so that is number of S is equal to 8. Now here the case is head on third toss. Okay, so if we toss and third time I get head, so how many of that? First here H, so that one. This one is not here tail, so this one not, this one, and last this one. So how many? 1 2 3 and 4. F, head on first 2 toss. Okay, both the first 2 times 1 and 2, there is both time head, so that is triple H, HHT, that is 2. Now here 1 time H but second time tail. Similar here, so remaining one is not. Okay, so F is equal to in bracket triple H and HHT. Now want to find P of E slash F, that is the formula is P of E intersection F upon P of F. So I need E intersection F, so common is only triple H. Okay, so P of F, how many numbers? That is 2. It means 2 and total sample space 8. So 2 by 8, 1 by 4. If you want to state 2 by 8, then it's okay because of E intersection F. There is how many? The elements are 1. So 1 upon 8. So 8 easily be cut out. Okay. Using the formula intersection f upon p of f, 1 by 8 upon 1 by 4. Denominator of denominator numerator. 4 ones are 4, 2s are here 2. So 1 by 2. That is our answer. Second case is given at most 2 tail. Okay, sorry. At least 2 head. Second one is at least 2 head are there. So find out how many at least 2 head in that. Okay. So 3. Okay, but 1 is not considered. So triple H, HHT, HTH, and then PHH. Now here not 2 time head. So that is our E. Now F. At most 2 head. It means that if there is no head, 1 time head and 2 time, but 3 time is not taken. Okay, so it means that there is only triple H is removed and remaining one are taken. In F, HHT, HTH, HTT, EHH, THT, DTH, and 3TTT. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, and 4 time. Here 7 time. Now in intersection F, common HHT, this HTH, THH, triple H is not here, so there is 3. So P of F is equal to here 7 by 8. In intersection 3 by 8, putting formula 8 cut, left 3 by 7. Similar third case, at most 2 tail. Okay, similar at most. So maximum 2 tail are there. Okay, so here we find out at most 2 head. So except triple H we take all. So here at most 2 tails. So except triple T we take all. Okay, not this one, all. In F, at least 1 tail. Okay, so it means 1, 2, or 3 times. So HHT, HTT, all except triple H. Now common triple H is not here. HHT, HTT, HTH, THH, THT, TTH, not triple T. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 by 8. F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 by 8. Putting the formula 8 cut 7 by 6. Simple. So you have in this sum, you have what to do? You have to just given the thing. Okay. In previous sums, there is a P of A, P of B, or P of P, P of F already given. Then after you have to put the formula and solve. But here the statements are that using that we have to find sample space and then after find the event and then find P of E and F and put it in the formula. Okay. Note it down. Sum number 7. 2 coins are tossed once back. First, there is a 2 coins are tossed. So let me find the sample space first. So here the 2 coins tossed. So sample space, that is previous one, that is 3 times. So it is 2 raised to 3. That is 8. So we take 4 times head, 4 times tail, then 2 2 2 2 and then toggle 1 1. Okay. But here 2 coins. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 sample space, number of S is 4. So how to make first? HHTT. HTT. That is our sample space. Okay. N of S is equal to 4. Now first, E. Tail appears on 1 point. Okay. Only 1 time tail. So that is HT and TH. Okay. So number of E 2. Second, 1 point shows head. So 1 time head, HT and TH. N of F is equal. So both the sets are events are same. So intersection also same. So that is also 2. Now in previous sum we saw directly. Now in that sum we have to use the second method, that is the use of formula. Okay, putting the formula. Now P of E slash F is equal to P of E intersection F upon P of F. So how to find the probability of intersection? That is the number of intersection F upon number of S. Okay, similar for P of F, N of S, cut. So N of E intersection F, that is 2. N of F 2, 2 cuts. Answer is 1. That is our first case. Second, E. No tail appears. Okay, so only it means there is HH. And second, no the formula, putting the value, that is 0 upon 1, 0. This is our final answer. Note down, and remaining two sum like the same. Okay, first note it down and then we solve next one. Sum number 8. A die is thrown 3 times. Okay, die. In die, there is, it means there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are the die means pass. Okay, when we play Ludo or snake and ladders, we use die. Okay, in that there is a 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we make a sample space, there is a 3 times. Okay, it means it take 216 in sample space. Okay, so if we write, that is too much long. Okay, that's why I just take here what we have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for first die, second die, for third. How many elements? 6, 6, 6. So number of s 216. In previous, for toss the coin, in that we write all the sample space like HH, HT, TH and TT like this. But here that is too much long. That's why we can write in short. Okay. Now E. 4 appears on the third toss. Okay. So first, second is not mentioned. So we take all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. And third only 4. So how many numbers? 6, 6 and here only 1. 6, 6 are 36. Similar for F. 6 and 5 appears respectively first. So for first 6, second 5. 1, 2, 6. Third not mentioned. 1, 1. 6 ones are 6. Now intersection. Here 6, here 6, 6. Here 5, 5. And here only 4. So how many? 1, 1, 1. So number of E intersection F is 1. Now find D of E slash F. Number of E intersection F upon number of F. That is 1. That is 6. So answer is 1 by 6. Simple. Okay. Next one. 9th one. Mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. Okay. So that is a random. Okay. Let me take if mother M, father F and son for S. Line up for the family picture. Sample space become. Okay, let's take first mother, then father, then son. So it make M, S. Now mother as it is, father and son change its position. So it become M, S, F. Okay. Now take father first. Okay. First father, mother and son. F, M, S. Now father as it is. Position change of mother and son. So it become F, S, M. Now we take on a first position, first mother, then father. Now take for son. Son, mother and father. Then mother, father change S, F, M. So how many sample space we make? Total number of 6. And 6. Okay. We get our sample space. Now go for the event E. Sun on one end. Of one of end, sun, not in middle. So that is MFS. No. FMS. SMF and SFM. So that is the 4. F. Father in the middle. So F. MFS. And other is SFM. Okay. So that is 2. Now find intersection. MFS, FMS not, SMF no, SFF both. So that is 2. Putting the formula 2 by 2, we get 1. Okay. Till this. Okay. You have to write this sum. Okay. In next video we continue our sum number 10 through in next video. Okay. Note down.